we're gonna grill pork steaks. We have 2.5 pounds of pork butt here, and we're gonna marinate it and leave it overnight. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, freshly ground. Now we're gonna rub in the dry rub on both sides evenly, just like that. And the spices smell really good. We're gonna place it on a direct heat for about 10 minutes per side. In about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip. It looks like we have nice grill marks and it's been charred a little bit on the edges. So we're gonna keep it on this side for about 5 more minutes. Try not to bother it too much. Just flip it and let it be for a few minutes before checking on it, because you don't want the meat to tear. It's been another 5 minutes on this side and we're gonna check. It looks ready to me. We're gonna give it a couple of minutes covered, and we're gonna let it smoke with our vents open so that it cooks through really well. It looks like it's ready to be taken off the grill now. And we're gonna put it inside the foil and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it really well so it doesn't lose heat. So now we're ready to cut the steaks. It smells so good and it looks beautiful.